In this video, I will show you how to change Google Maps from walking to driving. So if you want to change Google Maps from walking to driving, then this is what you need to do. So first of all, we are going over to our Google Maps app, and from here we're going to click on the application, and then from here we're going to click on OK. And now we are going to get some directions. So let's go ahead and click on search in here, and let's select something in New York. Let's just type in New York, and then we can make directions. So let's go ahead and click on directions and then select the starting point. And let's say the starting point is the Yankee Stadium. So let's go ahead and click on this. And right now, as you can see, our walking destination is created. And if you want to change this to driving, then we're going to click on this thing in here. And once we do that, we see that we have different options right now. We can change it to driving on a bike. We can change it to taxi, to flights all the way at the right, but that's not ideal for this track. We can also change it to public transport, and we can change it to driving. So if you want to change to driving, then just go ahead and click on that walking sign, change it to driving, and then you can just go ahead and click on preview and start your route. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.